Hello and welcome to my channel AI with Manpreet Kaur. So today we are going to talk about an AI tool that is called Presto AI. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Presto AI to create student-friendly prompts. First of all, go to Google and try Presto writing prompt. Go to the website and it will look like this. It will ask you the writing topic, grade level and the writing plan. For the writing topic, I'm going to write global warming. And for the grade, I'm going to stick to ninth grade. And for the writing plan, I'm going to go for cause and effect. And just hit generate and it will create these kind of the five different kind of the prompts for you which students can use, and asking the students to explain the cause of global warming and describe its effect on the environment and human. And it is great for science explanation, CER writing, cross curricular ELA connections. Next, I'm going to try the story. Let's see what it create for the story. So here you can see all the prompt that it created. So press to create a prompt where students imagine the future impact of climate change. This works perfectly for creative writing, project based learning, and engaging reluctant writers. Next, I'm going to try a news article. For the news article, students are asked to write the real world articles with facts, headlines, and solution, which is amazing for informational writing and media literacy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel AI with Manpreet Kaur